In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cache files location in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to free up space on a drive, keep your project files more organized, or improve performance by moving cache files to a faster storage location. This is a useful setting to know. Cache files are temporary files that DaVinci Resolve creates to help playback and editing run more smoothly, so choosing the right location can make a real difference depending on your setup. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of DaVinci Resolve. From there, click the gear icon to open your project settings. This is where you can adjust a wide range of options for the current project, so once the settings window opens, stay focused on the section we need. Next, make sure you are under Master Settings. This area includes general project settings, timeline options, and several folder locations used by DaVinci Resolve. Once you're in the correct section, scroll down until you find the Working Folders area. This is where Resolve lets you define where certain important files are stored while you work. In the Working Folders section, look for Cache Files Location. This setting controls the folder where DaVinci Resolve saves its cache files. When you find it, click Browse. A file browser window will appear, and from there you can choose the new folder or drive where you want those cache files to be stored. When selecting a new location, it's generally a good idea to choose a drive with enough free space, since cache files can grow quite large, depending on the size and complexity of your project. If possible, using a fast SSD can also help with smoother editing performance. Just make sure the folder you choose is easy to access and is somewhere you'll remember later if you ever need to manage or clear those files manually. After you select the new location, confirm your choice, and that's it. Your cache files location has now been changed. This is a simple setting, but it can be very helpful if you're trying to optimize your workflow or better manage storage across your system. If you're working on larger projects, checking this setting early can save you time and prevent storage issues later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.